In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Sendgrid to send email. We'll walk through creating a one-time marketing email, often called a single send, using Sendgrid's built-in tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank screen to a fully designed email that's ready to send to your audience. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Marketing. Go ahead and click that. This is where Sendgrid keeps all of its tools for creating and managing email campaigns. Inside the marketing section, look for single sends. This is what you'll use when you want to send a one-off email blast, like a newsletter or an announcement. Click Single Sends, and then in the top right corner, click the button that says Create Single Send. That will start a brand new email. Next, you'll be asked to choose a template. Sendgrid gives you a few options here. You can pick from their pre-built designs, which are great if you want something quick and professional. You can also choose one of your previously saved templates if you've created emails in the past. Or, if you want full control, you can start with a completely blank template. Pick the option that best matches what you're trying to send. After you choose a template, select the Design Editor. This is the visual editor where you'll build your email without needing to write any code. It uses a drag and drop interface, which makes it simple to customize. Before you dive into the content, switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here, you'll configure a few key details. First, set the From Sender. This should be one of your verified sender emails, which helps with deliverability and makes sure your recipients recognize who the email is from. Next, enter your subject line. Make it clear and relevant so people know why they're getting the email. Finally, choose your recipients. You can select specific lists or segments. This is especially important when you want to send the same email to multiple people at once while still keeping things organized. With the settings in place, move back into the design editor and start designing your email. Use the drag and drop content blocks to add text, images, buttons, and other elements. Take a moment to check spacing, links, and overall layout so everything looks clean and easy to read. When you're happy with both the design and the settings, click Review Details and Send. Here you can double-check your sender, subject line, and audience. If everything looks good, you can either send the email right away or choose Schedule to have it go out at a specific time in the future.